Only you can breathe life into the story. Put your headphones on, dive into the story, build your own vivid world, and tell me how it resonates with you.
Have you ever felt this? You see someone who isn't as smart as you, but they are making more money, and deep down, you feel a little jealous. You wonder, do they have some secret formula? The truth? They're not super smart. In fact, they might be as clueless as you think. But here's the twist. There's a secret the world doesn't tell you. A deep truth that can change your life. Why doesn't being smart make you rich? Why do people who don't seem very bright still get ahead? And most importantly, how can you use your intelligence the right way to become truly unstoppable? If you're ready, let's dive into this emotional journey. The myth of intelligence. When we were young, we were taught, study hard and you'll succeed. The top students got medals and big dreams. Doctor, engineer, IAS officer. The rest? Just average lives. And this belief got stuck in our heads. That's why even today, people chase degrees, MBA, PhD, thinking more studying means more earning. But here's a bitter truth. If intelligence alone made you rich, then scientists, doctors, and professors would be the richest people. But they're not. Richard Branson, a billionaire, had dyslexia and dropped out of school. Nikola Tesla, one of the greatest minds ever, died poor and alone. The message is clear. Money doesn't follow intelligence alone. When intelligence becomes a trap. Imagine this scene. Two people stand in front of a glowing bubble. One is a genius. The other is average. Inside the bubble, dreams, money, success, freedom. The genius overthinks, plans, maps, calculations. The average person? He just walks in, falls down, gets up, keeps going, while the genius still sits outside, erasing his pencil marks. What's the lesson? Thinking is good. Overthinking stops you. Geniuses fear failure. To fail means, I'm not smart. So they stay stuck, thinking forever. But others who don't care about looking foolish, they take action. And action creates results. That's why people who seem less smart sometimes earn more. They're not scared to fail. They don't worry about judgment. They just try. Taking action becomes their superpower. They might not be perfect, but they do things. The secret sauce, action plus social skills. Look at Jeff Bezos. He didn't invent online shopping, but he made Amazon a global giant. But because he executed better, everyone has ideas. But the world only changes when someone brings the idea to life. Ideas don't matter without action. Good news? Execution is a skill anyone can learn. It's not a talent, it's a practice. Let's talk about another skill, social intelligence. Remember Steve Jobs? He wasn't the best engineer, but he was the best storyteller. He inspired the world's best engineers to follow his dream. That dream gave us iPhones, Macs, and a new way of life. Even today, money comes not just from talent, but from vision and stories. People invest in dreams. Customers buy emotion, not just products. So be the hero of your story. And if you don't know how to tell your story, learn it. Now, 3 golden rules that can change your life. Rule 1. Stop waiting for the perfect time. Life isn't a trial version. Take action now, even if your plan isn't perfect. You create the right time. 1 step, today. Rule 2. Don't fear mistakes. No one knows the next page in life's book. Mistakes will happen. Let them. Learn from them. Falling and rising again, that's real growth. Rule 3. Value people. Ideas become powerful when they reach hearts. Learn storytelling. Share your message. Because people make decisions with their hearts, not just their heads. Final thought. You don't need to be a genius. You need to be an action taker. Thinking is good. Learning is important. But doing is the real game changer. And once you get this, no one can stop you from leaving your mark on the world. Your time is now. If you're ready, write in the comments, "Yes, I will." And don't forget to like this video. You're amazing. Keep learning. Keep growing. Keep taking action. Thank you for watching.